In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a business email for free with Zoho Mail. If you're a small business owner or just looking to step up your communication game, having a dedicated business email account can make a huge difference in how your brand is perceived. And the great news is, you can set one up at no cost with Zoho Mail. Let me guide you through the process. First, you'll need to head over to the Zoho Mail website. So open up your web browser, type in the URL, and hit enter. You'll land on Zoho's homepage where you'll see various options and features they offer. Once you're on the Zoho Mail site, look for the option that says Business Email. There should be a checkbox for this. By selecting it, you're confirming that you want to use Zoho's services to create a professional-looking email address for your business. Next, it's time to provide some information. Start by typing in your name. This is a straightforward step, but make sure to use your full name or the name you want associated with your business emails. After all, this address will represent your professional identity when corresponding with clients or colleagues. After entering your name, you'll need to input either an existing email address or your phone number. Zoho uses this information as a form of verification, so double-check that everything is correct. Following this, a password needs to be created. Choose something secure that you haven't used elsewhere. Remember, your business email account might contain sensitive information, so keeping it safe should be a priority. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for increased security. Once your password is set, take a moment to read Zoho's terms of service. This step is crucial because it outlines what you can expect from their services and what they expect from you. After reviewing the terms, go ahead and click on the checkbox to accept them. Now, you're almost there. The final step is to click on the Sign Up button. This action will create your account and set the wheels in motion for having your own business email address. You'll receive a confirmation, and from there you can begin customizing your Zoho Mail settings to better suit your needs. And that's it. You now have a business email set up through Zoho Mail for free. I hope you find this service as convenient and efficient as many others do. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!